Welcome to TMC Chats with Karen, Gregory,
and Sandi Addis.
Today we're going to look at what's wrong with a couple of pictures. Sandi, what do you think about that picture?
Wow, is that a bug on his hand?
It is. It is a bug. This is actually in a patient room in an outpatient practice, and this is a patient's hand. Saw that bug on the floor, thought it would be just really fun to share it with the staff, what he found in the exam room. So that's pretty interesting, isn't that?
Yes.
Well, this is kind of a trick picture. What I really wanted us to look at was this picture. What comes to mind when you see that?
One of the things is that it's not sealed appropriately.
Yeah, that's the first thing that I saw as well, and actually I see this a lot out in the practices that I visit. The challenge is that sometimes when people are wrapping instruments in preparation for sterilization, they don't close them appropriately. The takeaway is that anybody who is packaging instruments, if they're using peel packs, they need to make sure that they're folding the peel pack on that perforated line. Once they do that, they ensure that that package is sealed, which could prevent those little critters from going and moving in and out of the packages. So very, very important step in the process when you look at instrument processing. And one of the things that we hear a lot of questions about, or I do at least, is about once you've sterilized an instrument and you're storing it, how long is that package good for use? Do you run into that?
All the time, Karen.
Yeah, I think that there are two different trains of thought as to how long you can keep a package. One is time related. The other is event related, and that's actually what I find that most people adopt. Basically, what that means is that if you appropriately package instruments, run them through the sterilization cycle appropriately, and store them appropriately, then that instrument is good for use without an expiration date. Very, very good process to utilize in the clinic. But the one thing that you want to do is make sure that your instrument processing steps are followed appropriately so that you know that instruments are safe for use. Thank you for joining us for this edition of TMC Chats.